DARPA, one of the military organization of USA, created a challenge for general public wherein they have to find 10 different red balloons at 10 different geographical areas. And it was not an easy task because the 10 different red balloons at 10 different locations with absolutely no clue and with a range of 3.2 million miles was quite a task, and even some experts said it was quite impossible. But nevertheless, as the challenge was announced, many people came forward, like they registered for this challenge, and they also included some from hacking community, some was entrepreneurs, some was researchers, and they all set up their own team, and they started building some tools to actually participate in this particular challenge. Some created algorithms, some software, some they went into look deep into the geographical location mappings and etc. On the other hand, there was a team from MIT who didn't know about this challenge till 2 to 3 days before the challenge yet to start. Obviously, they didn't have enough time to actually build a team or create ideas or plans or tools to solve this challenge. So they had to come up with some other plan. So surprisingly, they came up with very interesting plan. So what they did was they created a website wherein you can join to the MIT team to that website. Once you are a member of MIT team, you will get a personalized invitation link, using which you can share it to your friends as well as families and also make them the members of MIT team for this particular challenge. Why do you basically share this invitation link to your friends and family? That is basically because the MIT made it in such a way that you share it to as many people as you can, and again they share it to the as many people they can, and finally it gets on to become a big network. In this particular network, even if anyone is able to solve this challenge, everyone will get rewarded. So that is a plan that MIT did, and they created a website and they made so many members, and they told members to share the invitation link to create even more members. That's how it went on. On the other hand, what other teams did was they went on to Bright Minds. They asked them if you could join their team, and if you would able to solve the challenge, you will get the complete reward. In such a way, they are like approached to their team members. On the other hand, MIT did in this particular way. Finally, the day of the challenge started, the DARPA finally placed 10 different balloons at 10 different geographical locations, and officially the challenge was on. Believe me, exactly 8 hours, 40 minutes, and 51 seconds, the challenge was done. It was solved. There are so many people who just laughed at this particular MIT team's idea, saying it is very primitive. It looks like an network marketing scheme, and it definitely is not going to work. Finally, when they achieved, and everyone was absolute silent. Let's look closely to the what mistakes that particular other teams with very bright minds did. That is, first thing is when they approached to the team members, it was told that if any one of the team member could able to solve the challenge, he will get the complete reward. So obviously, when he gets a clue of some particular location, he hesitates to share that clue to the team member because he fear of losing that reward. That fear of losing award is where kicks into the psychological aspects of this particular team members, and they couldn't even discuss about the problem solving. It all gets very selfish in the team itself, and obviously they lack themselves. Even though they are a great minds, they are restricting themselves because they are not playing in a team. There is absolute no cooperation. But if you look into the MIT team, there are so many people who are joined in. Let's say I get a clue and I'm absolutely of no interest to solve the challenge. What I could do is I just share on to this clue to the other peoples, because it doesn't matter who solve it, you are going to get a reward. Indirectly, there is an absolute cooperation teamwork in the MIT team. So to actually get a deeper insight of how this particular reward sharing works, let's say I did able to actually find geographical location of one balloon, I will get $2,000. So my inviter will get $1,000 and his inviter will get $500, and it goes on. So everyone in this particular network will be paid. So obviously the major mindset of this particular team will be is to solve the challenge instead of thinking about the reward. So this is where the teamwork kicked in, and they just thrashed the other teams, and they finished the challenge in around 8 hours. Finally, at the end, even the DARPA, the organizing organization, said that it was not at all a technological challenge. It was all about a team building relationship of mutual risk, and also it was all about cooperation and teamwork with success sharing scheme. That is how these particular challenges can be faced and can be solved. So the moral of the story is it's the teamwork and cooperation that is absolutely needed to solve the bigger challenges. And to end this particular speech, I would like to add one more quote from the legendary basketball player Michael Jordan. Talent win you matches, but teamwork, cooperation, and intelligence will win you championships. Thank you.